Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today. So I am actually semi on time with filming this week. I may be doing more than one video a week. Yay! We're getting back to it. I'm finally feeling a lot better. Not 100%, but we're almost there. Thank God. As most of you guys know, I've been really sick and haven't been getting better. I got worse. Well, a big reason, and I didn't even think to explain to most of you guys because a lot of my viewers are like personal friends of mine too and all live in California with me, but we have the wildfires burning. Pretty much California right now is completely on fire and the air is really unhealthy to breathe right now. It's really toxic, and when you have an upper respiratory infection and you have really unhealthy toxic air that is so bad that they're telling you not to go outdoors, it's a recipe for disaster. So that's a big reason why I haven't been getting better. And plus, I wasn't taking my medication like I was supposed to. They had me on all kinds of medications that made me feel really jittery and gross, so I didn't take them. And that totally like freaking screwed me. But I'm back and feeling a lot better than I was, and I have a video on a palette I bought a little bit ago. I have a couple other palettes that I'm going to be getting here pretty soon. The Jeffree Star Alien palette is one that I will be reviewing for you guys, and I might also be getting a couple of the James Charles palettes for Christmas, one for you guys and one for me to review. So those will be up here in the next couple of weeks. So I'm really excited. Yay! So, but until then, I got the Boss Mood 35M palette a while back, like during the Halloween time, and I didn't really get to put it to the test. And you know, even when I was searching for inspiration, I did not find very many tutorials or videos on this exact palette. And the thing of it is, the ones that I did find were all the same color schemes. So if you haven't seen it, this is the 35M palette. It is an amazing palette. I got it during the time that I was doing like all my Halloween videos. This is such a gorgeous fall palette. Like this palette right here screams fall. And I love it. And everybody's been using the greens. Like in every tutorial, these greens have been hacked to filth. So I wanted to get the reds a try, which is, I came up with this kind of red cherry kind of look. It kind of gave me the new Naked Cherry vibes, you know. And next I want to dive into these purples. These purples right here are so stunning, and as you can see, I haven't even touched them yet. I want to play with them so much. So let me just swatch a couple for you guys. Like, here's a few of them. Look at how gorgeous and grapey they are. Like, this is a pretty taupey purple, and just this bright one and dark one. Super vampy, super hot. And then they have the mattes in here that like correlate with each of them. Ugh, I'm going to have so much fun with those. But that'll be on another video. Today we're going to focus on these cranberry reds and give you some fall vibes, you guys. We're going to get some fall vibes going on, and I am so here for the color on the lip, the deep colors on the lips for fall, and I'm living for it. So let's go ahead and dive into this video. Also, stay tuned here in the next couple of days. I will be announcing the winner of my Thanksgiving giveaway. Just giving thanks for having such amazing subscribers, and I'm giving away the ABH Sultry palette, and I'm also giving away 4 Artist Couture highlighters, the Nikki Tutorial and Maybelline highlighter, an Artist Couture highlighter brush, and some Wander Beauty skincare and Dermovia skincare, and a Nikki Tutorials and Maybelline limited edition huge makeup bag to put it all in. So if you hadn't gotten entered, I think you still have time to do so now. So get entered, and I will be up in the next couple of days to draw the winner and have another tutorial for you guys up then too. So yeah, so go do that. That's down in the description box. Click on the hyperlink, and until then, let's get into this look. Okay, so we're going to start with the eyes first using the 35M palette and going in with this camel color transition color. It's a really warm light brown, and sweeping that onto the crease and right above the crease. As you can see, I already primed my eyelids and got them ready. Now I'm going to go in with this dark brown, and I'm just stamping that on the outer corner and taking that into the crease and being very defined into the crease and just slightly blending it up ever so slightly. And I wanted it a little more cherry looking and not so warm, so I went in with this cherry red color and just went over the brown and blended that out together to give it more of make it a more cherry brown instead of brown. And now we're going to cut the crease with the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's the only one I've been using lately. And as you can see, I have hooded eyes, so what I do is I sweep it on the mobile lid first and then open my eyes really wide. And as you can see, it stamps the line of where I need to stop on my concealer. And now I'm taking that dark cherry red and packing that on the outer corner of the eye about halfway in. Now I'm taking its shimmery cherry red counterpart and putting that on the center, about 1/3 of the mobile lid, and leaving just the inner corners open. And we're going to take the light highlight color and sweep that and blend that into the inner corner and using that to highlight the brow bone. And I'm just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning off the foundation that I'd put down so that I could do my eyebrows and my eyes. And I'm going to go into the face and come back to the eyes later. And I'm just prepping my face with the L'Oreal Collagen Moisturizer. I love this as a base for the wintertime because I'm super duper dry. So in addition to my face routine, I also add extra moisturizer. And for foundation, I'm using the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation. It's a medium coverage foundation that does stay all day, but it also is like really, really good if you have dry skin. And I'm going to conceal with the Makeup Revolution concealer. Again, what else have I been using? It's my favorite, and I'm so glad they make the big sizes in them now. The big sizes are only $10 versus the smaller sizes, which are $7, and you get like double the amount of product, and it's amazing. I love this stuff. And then I'm going to take the number 7 bronzer in golden brown and set the outer perimeter of my face and put some color back in it. Because I have such dry skin, especially in the wintertime, I try not to use too much powder, so I use the bronzer to set the outer perimeter, and I'm using the Fit Me loose powder to set underneath the eyes and the center of my face. That way I'm not setting my whole face and then going in with more powder products. Now I'm using the Tarte Princess contour palette and using the color Princess Cut to contour. And the only thing about going in with the bronzer on the outer perimeter first without setting it down is the colors are very, very pigmented. So my contour ended up being way too dark. Bronzer ended up being way, way too dark. So that's something I'm going to have to fine tune during this winter. But now I'm just buffing it all out and blending it out so it doesn't look so harsh with my big fluffy bronzer brush. And then I'm going to go in with the Nikki Tutorials and Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and highlighting my cheeks and my brow bone and my nose and my cupid's bow and my chin and pretty much my whole face. I'm just gonna freaking highlight to the freaking moon. And now I'm gonna use the Lottie London Blush Crush in the color Zane that I got in my Ipsy bag for blush and just sweep that on my cheeks. And then we're gonna go back to the eyes and finish up the lower lash line, I'm taking that matte cherry color and sweeping that almost all the way in on the lower lash line, just leaving a little bit open on the inner corner for highlight. And then I'm going to take that dark brown and just pencil that really close to the lash line, about halfway in, and then I'm going to take the Master Chrome highlighter and highlight the inner corner. Now I'm just taking a black liner brush and tight lining my upper lash line and lower lash line and preparing them for falsies with some mascara from It Cosmetics. And you can use liner on your top lash line if you want. I've been going no liner lately, and now I'm just applying my falsies from Morphe. I'm using the style Calabasas and just popping those babies on. And now I'm using this deep reddish color, reddish burgundy color from MAC. It's a Viva Glam number 2. I don't even know if they still have this anymore. I bought this like 3, 4, 5 years ago. It's so old, but the color went so perfect. And here's the final look. It was totally giving me the new Urban Decay Naked Cherry vibes. I just love this cranberry look, especially for the holiday fall time. I hope you guys like it too. And I'm just so into these bold red lips, and I'm going to be doing one on the purples next time. And next time I will be announcing the winner to the giveaway, so don't forget to go into the description box and get entered to the giveaway. See you guys next time. Bye.